Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting and amazing video that will be first time in Sri Lanka, this kind of video. Today I'm going to do catch and tank setup video that there is a very clear water stream around my old house, and I will be catching some fish using net and put them into a tank around the water stream and set up the tank with the driftwood and soil then all others can find around water stream, and you guys can see the tank and the fish net that I'm gonna use. And let's go to the video. This is the path that this is the path to the water stream, and look how greeny and beautiful this environment is. I need to cross this paddy field to reach the water stream, and this was very interesting video. Hope you guys enjoy the video soon. This water stream is very clear, and I had lot of childhood memories with this water stream. I caught lot of fish from this stream. Now you guys can see how beautiful the water stream is, and the crystal clear water. This water stream is full of endemic fish to Sri Lanka, and as the first step I filled my tank with water and kept it on a large rock and inside the water stream, and then I try to fill my tank with soil, the river soil, and I clean up the river soil and put them into the tank which are already in the water stream. This is a very satisfying thing. I always like to do aquascaping with the river soil, and I use that river soil as my substrate to the tank. Then I'm looking for a driftwood that I can find from around this water stream, and finally I got a nice driftwood and the part of a tree branch. This is the driftwood I found. It's a nice driftwood, and I placed it in the tank like that. And I found some roots that fish can hide, that also add beauty to my tank setup. I put them into the tank also. You can see how beauty that root portion is, and this is the basic setup for my tank. I'm adding more roots because it add more beauty to the tank setup, and then I'm looking for a rock to put to my tank setup, and I found one. That so beautiful rock. And I found some plant that's a kind of kabomba, I think. I don't know what is the real name. And this this is the look of my tank setup, and with the several minutes I created a beautiful aquascape using the natural found items. And as the first thing, I caught a shrimp, river shrimp, and put it into the tank. Then with the help of my dad, I try to catch some beautiful fish. Again, I'm remembering that this water stream is full of endemic fish which are very beautiful. You can see I tried several times but couldn't find anyone, and then finally I got my first fish. This is called Thal Kossa in Sinhala, and the scientific name is Belonchia signata. This fish is very endemic to Sri Lanka, and look at those colors. The red color fins are very beautiful. Look at those colors. And then again I try to catch some fish. Then I caught 2 fish, and this is a kind of barb. We call it petia. It's a very beautiful fish, tiny little fish. Look at those colors also. It's very suitable for plant and this kind of aquascape. And this is another petia, another barb. And also I caught a fish called dandi. Look at those colors, the blue color. This also kind of tetra or something like this in Sri Lanka, naturally found. Then I caught a baby Thal Kossa fish and a river prawn. Look at the beauty of the river prawn. This is the baby Thal Kossa fish and the river prawn. Look at those arms. It's looking very dangerous. And I had that river prawn into my tank setup also. And look how the beauty of my tank setup. Look at the colors of this Thal Kossa fish. This is very amazing. This is the final look of my aquascape and tank. Look the tank with the stream. It was very beautiful and very satisfying. Also there are a fish called bulat hapaya which is endemic to Sri Lanka in this water stream, but I couldn't catch anyone. Let's try another day. We will try to catch bulat hapaya also. And finally I put all rocks, soil and fishes back into the water. I didn't keep any fish. I caught that fish only for the video purpose. And this is the final moment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.